Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So for today's DIY video, I decided to try to do a DIY Dollar Tree Winter Wonderland wreath. I really wanted a wreath that could last throughout the entirety of winter, so I decided to run to Dollar Tree and grab this wreath base. This one is an 18-inch one, and then I grabbed the colors that appealed to me, particularly this year anyways. And so I saw these what looked like cool gray deco mesh things. I got 2 rolls of those, and then a roll of tulle and a roll of ribbon with sparkling snowflakes. And honestly, that ribbon really reminded me a lot of tulle, even though I knew it technically wasn't. So if you've seen my Halloween wreath, DIY wreath video from Dollar Tree, I actually followed the same concept ideas. And I started just creating the lengths that I wanted to create my sort of like, I'm going to call them sort of like bows, that I would then twist on the pipe cleaners to the wreath form or to the deco mesh or ribbon that I was going to tie on there anyways. I did my best to try to disperse things as evenly as possible, but as unfortunately for my luck and the, I guess, lack of ribbon and or deco mesh that I picked up initially, it felt like the resulting wreath felt kind of sparse. However, I already had plans to add florals from Dollar Tree to add to the look. I also picked up some rolls of the white deco mesh, and the plan is to take them, cut them up, and then take pipe cleaners to attach them to the outside edge, kind of giving a hint of some white. And I know on screen too that the other deco mesh kind of comes off looking silver, but I really am just attracted to this color. As I was trying to attach the white deco mesh, I also tried to push them all in one direction so that it kind of doubles up the appearance of the hint of the white snowflakey looking type of deco mesh, if you will. I'm calling it snowflakey just because of the appearance of deco mesh in general. So here, now that the deco mesh and the tulle and the ribbon are all attached, I go ahead and take my white floral stems from the Dollar Tree, pull them off, and just start placing them where I think it looks good, and then once I'm satisfied, I go ahead and hot glue them on. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Once those were already attached, I suddenly realized I never added this Dollar Tree tubing, and so I cut it down to size and made clusters of them. And then I realized I still had this tulle that looked sparkly, like snow, like little dots of snow, and I cut that up and put that into the areas I felt were sparse. I really like the way that this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.